Academia online classes grade 9 subject physics unit number 1. We have studied physical quantity and its measurement. Today we have a short introduction about your unit number 1. So now students, open your book page number 6. Let me start our introduction of this chapter. So let's start students. What is the science? Firstly, you know that it is a physics. Physics is the branch of science. So firstly we discuss about what is the science. Science field of observation and experiment to understand around the world. And field of observation means मुशाहिदा करना and experiment तजर्बात करना to understand the around world अपने इर्द गिर्द की दुनिया को उससे that field is known as the science. You have a science have a many field like a biology, chemistry, physics, geography. It's a some are the type of these science. So now we have to discuss what is the physics. In a physics, you have to measure the seeable and touchable quantities. You know that there's a weight, there's a length, there's a weight. So for example, you have the first is physical quantity. There's a quantity. Physical quantity can be measured enough directly or indirectly using the measuring tool. Physical quantities are the quantity can be touched and weightable, and you have been measured by the physical tools. So it's a physical quantity. Non-physical quantity are the quantities which not be seen but you have to be a feel, like emotions, sad, happy, worried, where it's a non-physical quantities. Physical quantities are the quantities in which you have measure your quantities into a physical tools, but it's to a non-physical quantity or the quantities not be measured by a physical tools. It's a non-physical quantities because that you have not be touch and see that, you only have the feel that, because that non-physical quantities like that fear, happiness, sad. So let to be a base quantities. Base quantities are the quantities in which the driver quantity are made be produced, because that base quantity it's depend on itself and other units not be produced by itself, because that speed and area is to be are different from each other. So speed is not be measured by area and area is measured by speed. So base quantities are the quantity that these quantities are different to each other, and driver quantities are produced by the base quantity. बेस क्वांटिटीज वो होती हैं जो सिर्फ ड्राइवर क्वांटिटीज को हम लोग मेजर करते हैं और जिससे ड्राइवर क्वांटिटीज बनती है, बट बेस क्वांटिटीज नॉट बी प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द ड्राइवर क्वांटिटीज. मेजरमेंट, you know what is measurement? To the measure the thing. Measurement in a physics, measurement, the measurement of a length, the measurement of a weight, the measurement of a